Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down in this left section to the very bottom to find the general management. Here we have to scroll down again to find the reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got reset network settings. So let's tap on it. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So simply tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step. And here we have to tap on reset again. Here we've got the information that this action cannot be undone. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.